hopefully you have completed this challenge. So we are going to subtract this from another one. This is mint center salary. I think there is something that is not working. Why this is not working? I cannot tell. Let me learn this kind of. I think now it should work. And let's say for the decimal, clean data. So this problem or this kind of error is because we have not put the data into the quotation, or we have not changed it to string like this. Now we can control enter and let's see another one. Clean, not clean data, sorry. It's clean df, and this is also clean df. Okay, now that's how we get the difference. Oh, it is negative. Now to get the thing good, we start with this instead of the other one.